The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
This picture was sent to us from Mindy in Highland County of the fall foliage. Look how gorgeous it is right now up in the Highlands. It is just absolutely breathtaking out across our higher elevations where we are basically in peak right now. Okay, if you're not in peak, then you're really close to peak if you're watching us above, say, 3,000 feet. The western parts of Pocahontas County and the western parts of Greenbrier County right now are peak and will be past peak here probably within about the next 7 to 10 days. Now, other areas across southwest, central, and south side Virginia, the Highlands, the New River Valley, you certainly have some color going on. We've showed you several sky cams here over the last couple of days that show that there's some brilliant color out across parts of the Highlands, New River Valley, and Mountain Empire. But then you head a little further east, say towards south side, and you have just a little color. It's going to take a little while for the lower elevations, i.e. areas southeast of, say, the Parkway, to really start to get color. And I think you're going to start to peak in south side somewhere close to Halloween. All right, here's a look at the regional view, and that's our next cold front. It is going to work its way closer to us, arriving here tomorrow night into Thursday, creating a better chance for some rain for us, potentially even a stray thunderstorm. So as we time it out for you, looks like we're going to start to see some heavier downpours pushing in as soon as a little bit after midnight tomorrow night. 1, 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, we could have some heavier downpours. The actual front is going to swing through here late Wednesday night into Thursday, and as that happens, we're still going to have some scattered showers around. Looks like by around dinner time on Thursday, the front is going to get on out of here. And as a front gets out of here, that will lower our rain chances. So you need to know that the wettest time for us will probably be later Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then the rain will slowly but surely taper off west to east as we head into Thursday afternoon, such that, again, by about 5, 6 o'clock on Thursday, we're all dry. We're going to see at least some sunshine before the sun goes down. Let's talk about the impact tracker for us with this next cold front. Many totals between about 1/10 of an inch to about 1/2 inch of rain, but I will tell you that there will be isolated spots that could potentially pick up about 1 inch of rain. Okay, isolated higher totals than what you're seeing here on your TV screen. The flood threat is very, very low, and while we could have some gusty winds, the severe weather threat is going to be mainly for folks to the north and to the east of us. All right, temperatures here stand 49 in Wytheville, 46 Blacksburg, 50 Roanoke, 47 in Lynchburg, also in Danville, 50 as we speak in Covington. High temperatures tomorrow as we go zone by zone, upper 60s in the NRV, 70 to 72 Covington, Clifton Forge. You're looking at high 71 to 73 in Roanoke, Lynchburg, and the south side zones. The upper air pattern as we look into next week, the jet stream is going to take a big old dip to the south. The secondary cold front that we talked about in top weather about 15 minutes ago is going to pull in much colder air. So by next week, we're going to have a blast of cold air starting Tuesday and lasting into Wednesday and Thursday. Again, that's next week. Highs will be mainly in the 50s, a couple areas maybe in the 60s with lows close to that freezing mark again. It is going to turn quite chilly again 1 week from today. For tonight, clouds thicken. We're milder. Overnight lows between about 44 and 49. For tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy. A stray shower or two late in the day. Still warm. We talked about those highs tomorrow in the 60s and 70s. Your extended forecast. Temperatures fall briefly into the 60s Friday, back to near 70 Saturday, 72 Sunday, upper 50s to near 60 1 week from today. We talked about that chance for rain Wednesday night into Thursday. Another chance for a little bit of rain Saturday night, potentially lasting into Monday morning, but it's not going to be a washout on Sunday by any means. All right, today we forecast a high of 71. Actual high was 69, $10 in the pot, $190 so far raised for the Children's Assistive Technology Service.